Maybe could you tell us a little bit about like the metaverse? I guess it's amazing. Since we started talking about it, I'm seeing it pop up everywhere, and I have my own ideas on it, but I'm still not sure. And I wonder, could you tell us a little bit about it and its origins and
Sure.
anything to kind of kick us off and whet our
Well,
appetite?
absolutely. So it depends who's asking what the metaverse is, really. So
Mm,
for me, and my students simplified it because they're Gen Z, right? And they're like, it's a 3D internet, miss, that you can view using VR, AR. Thanks very much, safe home.
yeah.
Okay. So I
Right.
say it's a decentralized 3D internet, right?
Right.
That can be viewed using AR or VR.
Yeah.
That's it. Now, that's a very simplistic approach, but then it depends on who's asking. Like the origins of the metaverse, the first time we heard about it was in a novel. I think it was in 1992 called Snow. I think it was called Snow Crush, and
Right.
then so that's when the kind of the name the metaverse popped up, and then from that 2008, then you had a movie called Ready Player One.
Oh,
This is the one that
brilliant.
I'm most
Yeah.
familiar with, yeah.
Yeah. Very
And
good.
then from that, the metaverse is used by people in Venezuela who are playing Axel Infinity to play to earn, to Nike rocking up in Decentraland with digital sneakers.
Mm,
So it's quite it depends who's kind of viewing it, but from a
yeah.
retail and an entrepreneurial perspective or enterprise perspective, it's a 3D decentralized internet. Yeah.